If you're here watching this, there's a good chance you've asked yourself this question at least once. Should I quit my job and trade Forex full-time? Or maybe you're wondering if it's possible to balance both without going insane. We've all seen the Instagram traders lounging on beaches, sipping cocktails, telling you they left their 9 to 5 and now trade for a living. But here's the reality. For most traders, quitting your job too early is the fastest way to end up broke. The truth is, a job and Forex trading are not enemies. In fact, when done right, they can be the perfect partners. In this video, I'm going to break down the real relationship between having a job and trading Forex, how they actually complement each other, and how to trade both worlds like a professional. We'll talk about the harsh truths, the common mistakes, and the right steps to transition if that's your goal. No hype, no fairy tales, just reality. Your job and trading operate on completely different rules. In the world of employment, you've got a boss, fixed hours, and a predictable paycheck. Your income is stable, which is comforting, but it's also capped. You can't just walk into work on Monday and double your salary by Friday no matter how hard you work. Now trading is the opposite. You're the boss. You decide when to trade, how to trade, and what to trade. There's no income ceiling. You could theoretically make more in 1 month than you make in an entire year at your job. But here's the catch. There's also no income floor. The same month you make that big win, you could lose it all, and more. Trading gives you freedom, but freedom without stability can quickly turn into chaos. In short, your job gives you security. Trading gives you possibility. And the smartest traders learn to blend those two worlds instead of trying to replace one with the other overnight. A lot of people think of a job and trading like rivals fighting for your time and attention, but in reality, they can be teammates. Your job can actually be the greatest trading partner you'll ever have. First, it funds your trading. That steady paycheck means you can put money into your trading account without risking your rent or grocery money. When you're not depending on trading to survive, you remove one of the biggest killers in this game: emotional pressure. Trading with the mindset of "I must win" or "I can't pay my bills" is the fastest way to force bad setups and blow your account. Second, trading can supplement your job income. Instead of spending trading profits on bills, you can reinvest them, build savings, or buy assets that create even more income. Over time, consistent trading profits give you the freedom to decide if you want to work, what kind of work you want to do, and how much. The relationship works best when you understand this. Your job covers your needs, and your trading grows your wealth. When you balance them like that, you can survive the inevitable losing streaks without panic. Most traders fail not because trading is impossible, but because they mix their job and trading in the worst way possible. The first mistake is quitting too soon. A few winning months give them confidence and they hand in their resignation letter thinking they've made it. Then the losing streak comes, and it will, and now they're scrambling, revenge trading to pay bills, and digging themselves into a hole. The second mistake is letting trading ruin job performance. You know the type. They're at work watching charts instead of focusing, sneaking into the bathroom during meetings to check trades, and missing deadlines because they're distracted. Before long, they lose the job. And their trading still isn't good enough to stand on its own. The third mistake is risking survival money. If losing a trade means you can't pay rent, you are trading from a place of fear. And fear will make you break every single rule you've ever set for yourself. It's like swimming with a shark while bleeding. You're not thinking about the water temperature or your technique. You're just trying to stay alive. And desperation is poison in the markets. If you want to do this right, the first step is to choose a trading style that fits your work schedule. If you have a regular 9 to 5, swing trading is your best friend. Trade on the 4-hour and daily charts. You can do your analysis in the morning or evening, place your trades, set your stop loss and take profit, and let the market do its thing while you focus on work. The second step is financial boundaries. Decide exactly how much of your monthly salary you're willing to risk in trading. Keep that money separate from your living expenses. This way, if a trade goes wrong, and they will, your lights stay on, your rent is paid, and your fridge stays full. The third step is to let your job remove pressure from trading. Let your salary cover your bills, and let your trading profits go back into your trading account to grow it faster. This approach compounds your capital and keeps your emotions under control. If your ultimate dream is to go full-time, you need a plan, not a leap of faith. The first rule is the 12-month rule. Do not quit your job until your trading income has matched or exceeded your salary for at least 12 consecutive months. This isn't about hitting a lucky streak, it's about proving to yourself that you can consistently make money through all market conditions, up, down, and sideways. The second rule is to build an emergency cushion. Save at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses before relying on trading alone. This safety net will keep you calm during drawdowns and stop you from forcing trades just to make rent. The third rule is to scale gradually. If you can, reduce your work hours or switch to part-time before quitting completely. This gives you time to adjust to trading as your main income source while still having a safety net. The goal is not to escape your job as fast as possible. The goal is to step into full-time trading without ever needing to go back. Balancing a job and trading is less about time management and more about mindset. First, you need patience. This is not a get-rich-quick game. Building a sustainable trading career is a marathon, not a sprint. Second, you have to detach your ego. Your job title doesn't define your worth, and neither does a winning or losing streak. Trading is a skill, not an identity. Finally, treat your trading like a business. Track your performance, keep detailed records, and plan for losses the same way you plan for profits. Businesses don't shut down because they had a bad sales month, and neither should you panic over a bad trading month. Trading is not your escape plan from a job you hate. It's a skill that requires time, capital, and discipline to master. Your job is not the enemy. It's the partner that funds your growth, keeps you alive during the losses, and gives you the freedom to trade without fear. If you treat your job and trading like allies instead of rivals, you'll build both your income and your skill set until you're in a position to choose whether you want to work or not. The real win isn't in picking one over the other, it's in mastering both until one can fully support you without stress. So before you throw in that resignation letter, ask yourself, is my trading proven, or am I just chasing the fantasy? The market will always be here. The question is, will you be ready for it when the paycheck stops?